surds. Objectives. Surds. Laws of surds. Surds are irrational numbers that can't be represented accurately as a fraction or recurring decimal, so they are left as nth root, that is, square root, cube root, etc. Surds are used in real life to make sure that important calculations are precise. For example, by engineers building bridges. Around 820 AD, Persian mathematician Al-Khwarizmi called irrational numbers inaudible. This was later translated to Latin as surdus, deaf or mute. Surd. Any irrational number of the form nth root a is given a special name surd. Here, a cannot be expressed as nth power of any rational number. Where a is called a radicand, it should always be a rational number. Also, the symbol nth root is called the radical sign, and the index n is called order of the surd. Nth root of a is read as nth root of a and also can be written as a power 1 by n. Some examples of surds are root 2, root 3, cube root of 11, and so on. Forms of surds. Radical form nth root of a. Exponential form a power 1 by n. Consider the real number root 7. It may also be written as 7 power 1 by 2. Since 7 is not a square of any rational number, root 7 is a surd. Consider the real number cube root of 8. Since 8 is a cube of a rational number 2, cube root of 8 is not a surd. Consider the real number root of root 2. It may be written as 2 power 1 by 2 whole power 1 by 2 equals to 2 power 1 by 4 equals to 4th root of 2. So, it is a surd. Laws of surds. Nth root of a whole power n equals to nth root of a power n equals to a. Nth root of a into nth root of b equals to nth root of ab. Here, order should be the same. Nth root of a divided by nth root of b equals to nth root a by b. Nth root of mth root of a equals to mth root of nth root of a equals to nmth root of a. Nth root of a equals to n into qth root of a power q. Important for changing order of the surds, or nth root of a power m equals to n into qth root of a power m into q. Examples. Cube root of 5 square makes its order 6. Then cube root of 5 square equals to 3 into 2 root of 5 power 2 into 2 equals to 6th root of 5 power 4. Cube root of 9 makes it order 15. Then cube root of 9 equals to 3 into 5 root of 9 power 5 equals to 15th root of 9 power 5. 4th root of 81 equals to 4th root of 3 power 4 equals to 3. Cube root of 2 into cube root of 6 equals to cube root of 2 into 6 equals to cube root of 12. Identify of a surd. Cube root of 8. Cube root of 8 is equal to cube root of 2 cube, which is a rational number and is not a surd. Root of 7 minus 4 root 3 is a surd because radicand is an irrational number. 2 plus root 3 is a surd because 2 plus root 3 is an irrational number. 1 plus root 3 is a surd because radicand is an irrational number. Cube root of 4 is a surd as radicand is a rational number. Example, cube root of 5, fourth root of 12, fifth root of 7, and so on. Cube root of root 3 is a surd as cube root of root 3 equals to 3 power 1 by 2. Power 1 by 3 equals to 3 power 1 by 6 equals to 6th root of 3. Example, cube root of 3, fourth root of fifth root of 6, and so on. 2 plus root 3 is a surd. Surd plus rational number will give a surd. Example, root 3 minus root 2, root 3 plus 1, cube root of 3 plus 1, and so on.